Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we are diving into the world of entrepreneurship with some practical advice for those starting from scratch. Now the first advice is choosing a niche. First things first, niche selection is crucial. Pick an industry you are familiar with, something you are passionate about and have experience in. This gives you a head start in understanding the market, its problems and opportunities that exist. Number 2, starting small and learning. It's wise to start small. Begin with manageable business model that you can test and refine. This allows you to learn from mistakes without risking too much. Remember, failure is part of the journey. Embrace it as learning experience and use it to improve your approach. Time management and continuous improvement. Effective time management is essential for entrepreneurial success. Set clear priorities, stay disciplined, and focus on the tasks that move the needle forward. Additionally, never stop learning and improving. Consistently seek ways to enhance your skills and adapt your business to stay ahead of the curve, leveraging resources and building resilience. Don't forget to leverage available resources, technology, networking with other entrepreneurs, and seeking guidance from mentors can all be incredibly valuable. Building resilience is also key. Develop a strong mindset that can withstand the inevitable challenges of entrepreneurship. Finally, financial discipline is essential. Track your finances diligently, avoid unnecessary expenses, and reinvest profits back into your business growth. Action steps. Now, let's turn this advice into action. Identify your niche. Choose an industry you are passionate about and research the market to understand its needs. Start small. Develop a manageable business model and be prepared to adapt. Learn from failures. Embrace them as learning experiences and use them to improve. Manage your time. Set priorities. Stay disciplined with your schedule. Continuously improve. Invest in your education and stay updated with industry trends. Leverage resources. Utilize technology, networks, and mentors to grow your business. Build resilience. Develop a strong mindset to overcome challenges. Create value. Focus on solving customer problems and to providing value. Maintain financial discipline. Track your finances. Avoid unnecessary expenses and reinvest profits into growth. By following these steps and implementing these entrepreneurial principles, you'll be well on your way to building successful business. Thanks for joining me today. Leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.